Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is Thursday, July 9th or 17th at about 7:25 in the a.m. Hey, been a long week, and I ain't posted for crap. Uh, Matter of fact, I'm about to crawl into bed and call it a night or a day. Uh, Got here last night, and I can tell you, it's been an interesting one. Uh, yeah, the flight from Amarillo to Dallas was, yeah, interesting. The flight from Dallas to Cebu, or Seoul, was interesting. And through the trips through all the airports here, and the one to get over here and get to the airport at Mactan here in Cebu, Philippines. Uh, yeah. And then having the fun of my hotel reservation was a mess. I'll get into that at a later date. Got to get that worked out. I don't know about you, but very long week. And somebody broke into, along the way, my one of my luggage, one of my bags. Didn't take my whole luggage, they just broke into it. And it looks like they got a couple of cheap action cams, $25, $30 each. And my charger, of all things, for my hearing aids. It's just the case, not the power bank or the power cord, but just the case that holds them so that they can take a charge. I don't know where it happened. It could have been anywhere between Dallas, Cebu, and Cebu. It could have been here, it could have been Seoul, or it could have been Dallas. I don't know. So I ain't gonna lay blame on it. Just say somebody broke into my luggage. Life happens. What's crazy is they were real close to a couple of things that would have been important. Well, the hearing aid charger is kind of important. I need to find somebody here who does hearing aids. See if they can get a hearing aid charger. Anyway, had to completely unpack my bags and find out for sure what was missing. And let me tell you, it's not that big of a room. It's 2 beds, but it is what it is. Wasn't planned on. It's bigger than what I was expecting. But I'm going to try to figure something out here this week and find something different at a better price. I'm tired, so I'm going to call this and send it out and get it done. I don't know about you, but long day. And I'm going to call this. I did manage to, while doing all the other stuff, I had a couple little bits from Amarillo and Dallas, and went to go try to do something in Seoul, and apparently the camera that I was using there didn't make it, so it cracked. Yeah. So now I'm down to basically this camera, one camera for my Mac Mini that I've been using. You've seen it. And then the broken one. I haven't tried to fully see how well it works anymore. I'll try to do something with it. And then my expensive one, but I don't use it for video. I use it for taking pictures and long distance stuff. So I haven't even got to that thing out yet. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm tired. Started off on the 14th. Got done work, quit it, went to the airport, flew away. Dallas was humid as all get out. They'd just had rain. And yeah, I remember I don't like humidity, but it is what it is. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. William Williams, Philippines. Yeah. Take it easy. Life's yours. Choose it. Live it. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And a lot more food. Williams, Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Do your thing. It's you. I'm fishing. Fish is out.